Anthony drives the same route to work every day. Last Monday, he was able to drive at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. On Tuesday, due to heavy traffic, his average speed was only 30 miles per hour. As a result, the trip on Tuesday took half an hour longer than it did on Monday. How long in miles is Anthony's daily trip to work? So in this problem, we are asking to calculate the distance of Anthony's daily trip. We know that the distance is the product of speed and time. So we have the information of speed on Monday and on Tuesday, but we have no information of the time that Anthony took on Monday or on Tuesday. So we need to find that value. So first we can let the time of the trip on Monday as t, and since on Tuesday he took half an hour longer than on Monday, then the time of the trip on Tuesday will be t plus a half. And using the information of speed and time on Monday, then we can make an equation that the distance is equal to 50 times t. And using the information of speed and time on Tuesday, we will have another equation of distance, that the distance is equal to 30 times t plus a half. And we know that Anthony drives the same route to work every day. It means that the distance on Monday is equal to the distance on Tuesday. So our first equation is equal to our second equation. Then we can make an equation that 50 times t is equal to 30 times t plus a half. So to solve this equation, first we can multiply the right side using distributive property, which is 30 times t and 30 times a half. So we can have 50t is equal to 30t plus 15. And substituting both sides with 30t, we can have 20t is equal to 15. Then the value of t is equal to 15 divided by 20. So to find the distance, we just need to substitute this value of t into one of the two equations. And we can substitute into the first equation, then give us the distance is 37.5. So the answer for this problem is B. And actually, to solve this problem, there is another approach, which is we use the given options in this problem. We know that the given option here is the distance, and we know that the speed on Monday is 50 and the speed on Tuesday is 30. So to check which one is the answer for this problem, we just need to calculate which of the given options here will give us the specific time on Monday and Tuesday, and give us the time on Tuesday is half an hour longer than the time on Monday. So we can calculate the time on Monday and the time on Tuesday for each of the given options here. And since the distance is the product of speed and time, then the time is equal to the distance divided by the speed. And for the option A, if we calculate the time on Monday, it is 0.6, and the time on Tuesday is 1. So the option A is not the answer for this problem, since the time on Tuesday is not half an hour longer, or it is not 0.5 longer than time on Monday. And if we calculate the time on Monday of option B, it is 0.75, and the time on Tuesday is 1.25. And the time on Tuesday here is half an hour longer, since 1.25 is equal to 0.75 plus 0.5. So the option B here is the answer for this problem. And we can actually check the option C and D, and they give us the wrong results. And the time on Tuesday of option C is 0.8, and the time on Tuesday is 1.33, and the time on Tuesday here is not half an hour longer, And for the option D, the time on Monday is 0.85 and the time on Tuesday here is 1.417. So using this approach, we can actually find the answer for this problem using different method as the first approach. And actually it is a bit easier if you are not comfortable using algebraic method. So you can use the second approach if you are not comfortable with algebraic method, but if you are still comfortable with algebraic method, you can use the first approach.